everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome, my name is Claire. I've got another unboxing to share with you, and I've got Cohorted, and this is their February box, and it's an exclusive Monuskin edit. It's really heavy, it's really heavy. So as always, if you're new to Cohorted, I'll just give you a quick lowdown telling you all about it. But if you know everything there is to know about the subscription and you'd rather skip forward to seeing what's inside the February box, then you will find a timestamp down below in the comments, so you're free to flick forward. Cohorted is a monthly luxury beauty subscription box. It's based in the UK and they ship internationally. The cost of the box is £39.99, and that includes free shipping within the UK, and then there's additional shipping on top if you're out of the UK. I went online and I typed in the USA just as an example, and it came up as £12. There's a minimum of 5 products in every box, and contents range from skincare, hair care, makeup, and also beauty tools as well. They work on a month in advance basis, so if you subscribe in February, your first box will be the March box. You're able to purchase past boxes online, plus they also come out with limited edition boxes as well. This box is kindly gifted to me for free in exchange for showing you and telling you all about it on my channel. There is an influencer code. It's not affiliated to me, but you're welcome to use it for 15% off your first box. That is welcome15INF. All details and everything related to this box, plus that code and any other codes I can find, I'll pop down below in my description. So underneath this video you see show more or a downward arrow. If you were to click that, that will bring up my description and everything will be listed down there. So let's get on to showing you what's inside. Let's get some little leaflets, and this is what it looks like. Give you a quick sneak peek first. There. There's a lot of products in there. So inside every box you get a little card, and it tells you who's packed it for you. It says, "This month your box is hand-packed with love by Gemma." I really like that. And then we get a mini magazine. Now inside here details everything about the products inside the box, plus it gives you their cost as well, so I'm able to refer to this magazine as we go along. Plus it has articles on skincare and makeup, and also some interviews. Usually at the start of the page, yeah, we get to find out the actual value of this month's box, and it is £203. As we've got you covered with another exclusive Cohorted X Monuskin edit, this February celebrate Valentine's Day the right way with our beauty box of self-care must-haves. Tackle those tired eyes and restore hydration with the eye cooling gel, perfectly paired with a Tinted Moisturizer cream to nourish the skin for up to 24 hours. Did someone say all-night Zoom date? Leave your skin feeling invigorated with the warming Aromatic mask to thoroughly stimulate and energize your complexion. We guarantee that radiant morning glow with a night renewal complex, which does all the work while you sleep. You're welcome. Let's not forget about body care this month. Calm and soothe skin with the utterly hydrating bath and body oil before finishing with the body polish for a soft, supple complexion. Silky smooth skin is here. We've also added the radiant Delina La Rose perfume sample to finish off your self-love routine. Love Cohorted. This is the Monuskin Warming Aromatic Mask, natural clay, chamomile and camphor for combination skins, and we got 50 mils here. And the cost of this mask to purchase is £24.95. It smells so nice. It smells so nice. Let's see if I can put my no, it's just my nails going in there. I need shorter nails. But yeah, I'm not sure if you'd be able to tell, but it feels almost like an oil. Can you see that on my fingers? That is really odd. I was expecting it to be a proper clay mask that is quite dry then. It's really creamy and soft. It says twice a week after cleansing and toning, spread a thin layer onto your face and neck. Leave on for 10 to 15 minutes. Remove with warm water and sponges. Key actives: beeswax, camphor, coconut and lavender oil. A silky smooth facial mask to increase vitamin and mineral absorption. Skin will be left feeling invigorated from morning to night. And then it goes on to telling you how to apply it. So you've got a face mask. Next we got an eye gel. This is an eye cool gel with arnica and vitamin C for all skin types. And there's 15 mils here. And to purchase this, it will cost £29.95. Ooh, I always put too much on my hands. God, just a little bit, just a little bit. I was expecting it to feel more cooling. I have tried other eye products before and you can feel it instant. Oh, mind you, saying that, it is getting colder. Now that it's on my hand, yeah. It's almost like a tingling. No scent as such. It's got written there, time to reorder, so you can see how much you're using and it's giving you an indication of when it is time to reorder. It says this refreshing gel instantly revives and tones tired eyes, reduces puffiness and dark circles. It does all those whilst lifting, plumping and correcting skin tone for a fresh, flawless look. Delivering immediate results, the Eye Cool Gel is an all-round miracle product, leaving eyes brighter and rejuvenated. Use it in the morning after cleansing and toning. Gently pat in a small amount around the eye area, avoiding the eyelids until completely dissolved. And they've also added a QR code for you to scan to discover more. The only way of receiving this month's box is to buy a one-off box on their website, and I believe they're £50, I think. So if you are interested in this box for yourself, then take a look, say next month or the month after, and they might have some there. Next we got a Sandalwood and Lemon bath and body oil, and this is for all skin types, and there's 300 mils here, and to purchase this it will cost you £35. It says sandalwood helps induce muscular relaxation, rosewood calms the skin, apricot seed soothes, making it ideal for dehydrated, delicate or sensitive skin. It says warm the palm of the hands and massage onto the body, or add a small amount to a warm bath to create a relaxing spa experience. There. Oh gosh, I just love the scent. I love lemon. I absolutely love the scent of lemon. Oh, I love it. It feels really nice. Yeah, I like the fact that you can put it in the bath as well. It says this comforting treatment oil has been specially designed to carefully calm and soothe the body, created using a blend of sandalwood and rosewood essential oils to ensure muscles are properly rested and skin is comforted while the mind is aided in winding down. So we've got a bath and body oil. Next we got a night cream, and this is a night renewal complex, and it contains polysaccharides and marine collagen for combination skins, and there's 50 mils here. And to purchase this it will cost £49.95. Yeah, perfect amount of cream. Okay, it doesn't say what's in it, does it? No, it just says a rich complex of actives to help smooth and firm the skin while you sleep. Skin feels rejuvenated and renewed. It feels silky smooth. It feels really, really lovely on the skin. It feels similar to the mask, to the clay mask. Formulated using sweet almond oil, wheat germ and marine collagen, the Night Renewal Complex revitalizes the complexion whilst restoring moisture balance. Elasticity is improved and fine lines are targeted to help combat the first signs of aging. So we've got a night cream there. Now the next product I am really, really excited for. I'm a little bit obsessed with these. This is a Perfecting Tint SPF 15 medium. It's a soft focus technology, vitamin E and cassia alta leaf. There's 50 mils here, and to purchase this it will cost you £34. Now this is a skin tint. Medium is a little bit worrying, but maybe it, I don't know, maybe it will adapt to skin tones. I don't know. Just put it on there. That is a lovely shade. That is a really nice shade. Not my skin colour. But let's blend that in a little bit more. When I use tinted moisturisers or like BB creams, etc., I don't mind it if it is a little bit darker than my skin tone, because usually the coverage is quite sheer, so it looks quite natural. And it's easier to blend down into your neck and chest. But yeah, it just looks more natural. It just looks like I've got a bit of a sun-kissed glow on my face, so I don't mind that. Foundation going for, you know, a darker shade than what my skin, it just looks more fake then. But yeah, for creams like this, it's fine. And look, it doesn't look too bad. You can tell there's a bit of a tan going on my hands there. In In the wintertime I opt for about 30 SPF. In the summertime definitely 50 SPF in my skincare. Added as a step in my skincare. Even though this contains SPF in there, I would apply a separate sunscreen underneath it, so it's just like a top up then. This tinted moisturizer is formulated with mineral pigments and soft focus technology for a sheer natural finish and flawless complexion, protects against sun damage and premature aging, and it just says, yeah, apply every morning after cleansing and toning. It says containing a combination of iron oxide, cassia alata leaf, I think that's how you say it, and vitamin E to balance skin tone for a naturally brighter appearance. And then it goes on to telling you how to apply it. So yeah, I am really chuffed with that. I've got a bit of an obsession with tinted moisturizers and BB creams. Oh, I love them. I love them. Next, we got the really heavy product in this box, and this is a Walnut and Shea Butter body polish. And this is for all skin types. There's 180 mils, and to purchase this, it will cost you £29.95. Look at that. Look at that. Oh, it just looks gorgeous. That feels so nice. That feels really nice. I got a load now on my hand. I'm going to apply it here. Every product's going on this hand. Now I can feel like the exfoliating bits. I'm not sure if you'll be able to see there. You can't really see it. It is quite finely ground down. But it's, oh, I love the feel of it. It's almost tingly. So I'm rubbing off all the skincare I've applied now onto this hand, including the tinted moisturiser. I can clearly feel the bits in there exfoliating my skin, but I know once I rinse it off in the shower that'll come off quite easily. I do love body scrubs, but yeah, some of the more messier ones, like the coffee ones, they are fab. They leave my skin feeling super soft, but they leave such a mess, But no, I think this one will be quite nice actually. Key actives: papaya, polysaccharides and shea butter. Specially formulated using crushed walnut shells that work to buff away dead skin cells, improving the appearance of imperfections to reveal soft, supple skin. Added papaya enzymes ensure skin is brightened whilst balancing skin tone to leave you looking and feeling radiant, healthy and refreshed. A powerful treatment that effectively prepares and nourishes, restoring hydration for thoroughly soft and smooth skin. So yeah, so we've got a body polish. And lastly, we got a little perfume sample. It says, Delina de Rossi, a poetic bouquet built of Turkish rose and transparent flowers with an opening of pear and a subtle base of softwood and white musk. I don't like Turkish. I've just realised I got lots of creams and stuff stuck in my nails. I don't like Turkish rose smell. That's like a proper rose, you know? I don't like it, so I'm not expecting to like this, unfortunately. That one's not too bad. Yes, there's a strong rosy smell there. It's one of the nicer perfumes that contains rose. It's not too bad. That surprised me. Pear, lychee and bergamot add a gourmand touch, while a perceptible but subtle base of wood, white musk and vetiver envelopes the senses. Yeah, if it wasn't for all those, then I wouldn't like it. So those are all the items. So I'll just go through them one by one, doing a bit of a recap. So we've got an Aromatic warming face mask. We've got an eye cool gel. We've got a tinted moisturizer with SPF 15. We've got a night renewal complex and night cream. We've got a sandalwood and lemon bath and body oil. We've got a walnut and shea butter body polish. And lastly, a little freebie of a perfume sample. So those are all the items inside this month's Cohorted February subscription box. The cost of the box is £39.99 and this month's value comes in at a whopping £208. Yeah, I am really impressed with it. I've tried a few Monuskin products in the past through different subscription boxes. I think I've had mainly body oils, but I'm really looking forward to trying the tinted moisturizer. The night cream is gorgeous as well. But yeah, I do really like this box. I think it is great value for money, especially if this is a brand that you've had your eye on. So yeah, as always, I'd love to know your thoughts. What do you think of this box? Have you subscribed? You've probably had your box by now. They send out the boxes between the 5th and the 15th of the month. Yeah, what's your thoughts on it? Or are you watching this for the first time wondering if this is a box for you or not? All your thoughts and opinions, I'd love to know. So please comment down below. But yeah, so thanks for watching. And if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to my channel for lots more videos to come. And I'll speak to you soon. Take care. Bye.